guys. It is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys. So today in this video, I'll show you an Age of Origins hack for iOS and Android. So let me just open up Age of Origins and show you guys. So as you can see, I'm broke, but if I press this button, I can add a free gold. So let's see if the gold starts going up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to get this Age of Origins hack for iOS and Android. Super cool, guys. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, guys, it's not increasing, but hopefully it does start going up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's see, and bang, guys, as you can see, it is increasing. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It's super cool, guys. This fully works for your device. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser, and you just have to type tweakmod.com. So this is the website with all the mods and stuff. So put in Age of Origins, as you can see, let me just type it in. There it is. Press install. So before this downloads, there is going to be verification. So we're just going to wait for this to load. So let's see. So let's just give it a second. So as you can see, we're just letting it load. So yeah, we'll just give it a second. So let's see. Alright, so it's loading up right now. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files, additional files are required. So what we have to do is download these apps, which are the missing files, like Underdog, Travel Town, whatever. So just go ahead and do some of these, and then we're done. So peace out, but make sure you do that. So for instance, Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could go ahead and do that. Or I could go ahead and do the Travel Town one, which is reaching level 9, so it's a game. So I just press continue, takes me to the App Store, download it, reach level 9. So whatever you choose to do, make sure you guys are completing the instructions on the game. So this one I have to reach level 9. So that's overall pretty simple. I think I can handle that, but if you feel depressed, just do a different one, because some of them are going to be harder than others, but as long as you do 2 of them, guys, you're going to be good to go. So yeah, mode casino, this one you got to follow the instructions on the next page. So it's overall a fairly easy process to get the fully working Age of Origins free resources, but definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you in another video, but as you can see, guys, we do have the unlimited currency, which is super cool. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is fully working, guys, and it is super awesome. So if you guys desire this on Age of Origins, I just want to let you know right now, this actually works. So you can do it on iOS, you can do it on Android, and you can try it out. So be sure to get the word out, guys. This is so cool, and you can do it today, tomorrow, all the days of the week. So yeah, I hope you found it useful. So yeah, peace out, my gang. This is legit, and you can do it on iOS or Android, so that is an awesome benefit, because some people only have one device. So yeah, super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get Age of Origins free resources for your device. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out.